I lost 70 pounds as a volume eater, eating platefuls of delicious foods that are satisfying and big in portions. So here's how to do it. This recipe is in my book, Plantifully Simple, and today we're making the creamy roasted bell pepper pasta. It is so good. So I'm going to start it by cutting up a bunch of mushrooms, and then I'm going to get this gluten-free pasta going. This is my favorite one. You can use whatever you want. I think they look like tiny little lasagna noodles. So then I'm going to get my mushrooms in the pan, and I'm not using any oil. I'm just seasoning them with a little garlic salt and letting them saute up in the pan. Now for this dressing, I'm going to blend up some potatoes, cashews, roasted red bell peppers. I'm going to add a little bit of that brine into the sauce as well. A sun-dried tomato, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, a little lemon juice or vinegar, and some water. And then I'm just going to blend that until it's nice and creamy and smooth, and we're ready to go. So I'm going to add 4 ounces of pasta to my bowl here, all of those delicious low-calorie mushrooms that help bump up the volume. I'm going to add my low-calorie sauce here that is so good, a little fresh basil, and that's it. I'm ready to go. And guys, this pasta is so good. You can eat all of this for 540 calories, and you can make it even lower in calories by using zoodles or kelp noodles, but this sauce is definitely something you want to make.